Hey guys, welcome back. Theater Advice. Today we're going to do a super sneak peek. So I'm not going to walk through the whole house because honestly it'll be a 30-minute video. This is a 15,000 square foot monster. It's going to have every manner of AV in it. I've already bid it. It's amazing. It's already wired. We're going to go to look at some of the wiring, some of the best practices in wiring in there, and just kind of give you a sneak peek of some of these rooms. I'll pop up some of the concepts that we're doing. It's going to be sick. Let's go. All right, now that we're in this beast, the first thing I want to do is we're going to swing back over here. I'm going to show you something. So I call this poor man's lighting. I joke around with all my customers, obviously 15,000 square foot house. Nobody's poor in here, but this is how I do it. So I meet with the electricians, we walk through the whole house, we move all the boxes that are set up, and we just leave one load here and one hot. So this is gonna be a sexy 6-button keypad here. That's all they're gonna see. So you can do home, away, party, entertain, all these kind of things. You saw some of that in my house as well. And all I have them do is take all of the other lighting and we move it into equipment closets and stuff like that. So there's a bunch on this back wall here. So as you pan to the back wall, you can't put more than 20. 17 is kind of the threshold. I think there's only 11 there, so it's not really a big deal. So that's gonna be all the foyer lights, all the outdoor lights, everything ran to there instead of run to the front. Apologize, I got my water. It's literally 95 degrees outside. This is another closet over here where a lot of the lighting is run. This is the entertainment wing of the house, and we're gonna get to it in a second, but we've got a bunch of lighting here on both sides, not too much to create what's called a Zigbee storm, which is just too much crap in one area. But we're just hiding things in closets, and that way they can only have just this one switch. So we've got another, as you enter, another 6-button keypad right here, everything hidden. Same thing in the master bedroom, master bathroom. Main entertainment areas, we've just got the one switch on the wall, another one over here. So this room is going to be super crazy. I'm going to pop up a picture probably right about now of what the concept of these rooms are. As he pans up to the ceiling, you can see the framing of the ceiling, and you'll see in the concept what that's going to be. It's all sheetrock triangles, backlit LED. This house is going to be absolutely amazing. This is going to be large TV on the wall, 98-inch type TV with 150-inch drop down over it, floating cabinet on the wall, long throw projector. That way this can be a full media room at night. This is gonna be an insane pool back here. They are on like 1.5 acres, 2 acres, something like that. It's all the way back as far as you can see the land. Full privacy. This is a huge game room area. Giant window to look over his sports cars and car collection. Back room is a golf sim room. So we've got golf sim, entertainment, 6-car garage, crazy pool, all that kind of stuff. Let's hop over to the equipment closet real quick, and then we'll just show you some of the living room. I was gonna sing Swing Low, Sweet Chariot, but nobody wants to hear that. So this is our equipment rack room here. We're gonna have 2 racks more than likely. We have conduit run, all the network, all the AV for the whole house comes here. Everything's in separate wall plates below, nice and clean. Conduits, one for internet, obviously, and then just one for attic for future. So super clean, nothing crazy here, honestly. It'll look crazy later, but got an equipment closet. And then out here in the living room area, we've got huge catwalks, dining areas, study. Everywhere has these crazy drop-down backlit ceilings. The main area in the living room, if you look, not only does it have a crazy drop-down ceiling, but it's got a rectangle going this way and a square going that way. All will be backlit. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So I'll show you some of those design aspects that the client is designing. Upstairs are all your bedrooms. There's actually a kids media room with full surround sound just for the kids up there. And of course, everything is concentrated around that pool. So this house is very cool. I wanted to at least shoot some of the aspects, some of the stuff, the zigzagging the wires, obviously, like we always do, the hidden lights, that will control all this stuff. The study, actually, if you turn around, not only does it have a cool ceiling design there, but it's got, it'll have a spiral staircase that goes up in front of the window, and then you can access the top library as well, and his kids' theater is off the side there with the bedrooms. So really, it's just an absolutely amazing house. I mean, I can already tell it's going to be a masterpiece. It is, it's just a work of art coming together, and I'll be excited to show it to you, as the client says, in 2028 or whenever it's done, because it's really big. So we'll come back when it's all done, do a full walkthrough then, and we'll just kind of circle back on it. But I just wanted to show it to you because we were out here in Tyler already doing 2 videos, and this was 5 minutes away, so why not? So 15,000 square foot monster. preview, and thanks for watching if you did, and if you didn't, you should. Hey guys, I just wanted to thank you for listening to whatever I was just rambling about. And of course, if you are in the Dallas area or surrounding areas and you can get here, visit our showrooms in Frisco or South Lake location. And now we can help you anywhere, from anywhere in the country through the world's first mom and pop shop on the internet called sqft.com. We are very excited about this project. We're happy to bring what Theater Advice does here in Texas to everyone. Thanks for watching.